guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel you all. Welcome to a brand new video, and I know you guys have already read the title. I know this might come like out of nowhere for you guys because I literally have not talked about this on my channel at all. So the thing is that recently I gave my very first government job exam, you know, the competitive exam. So you know how I've been cryptically suggesting on my channel, guys, I'm preparing for some competitive exams. I'm planning on giving those, but I never specified which ones exactly. So guess what, one of them is the CDS exam conducted by UPSC. I'm sure you guys know, a pretty popular name, Union Public Service Commission. They conduct all these examinations throughout the country for recruitment into various services, and one of the exams that it conducts is the CDS exam, which stands for Combined Defense Services. So basically it's for entry into Army, Navy and Air Force. So I gave this exam for this year. It's actually conducted twice a year, and I gave the second one this year, which was conducted on 1st of September. And just yesterday, that is 20th of September, in exactly 20 days, the results for that came. I went on UPSC website yesterday, last night. So basically they released this like long PDF of all the roll numbers who have qualified the written exam, and one of them is my roll number, guys. There you go. That is my number right there in the PDF. That was so surprising for me, you guys. Basically right now I have cleared the written exam. Yeah, don't confuse that I've like, you know, made it like, you know, to the academy directly or something. No, I've not cleared that part yet. It's actually conducted in two stages, this exam. First is the written exam, and then the SSP, which includes like the interview and stuff. So I've cleared the first stage, which is the written exam. I thought we could do like a little story time video today because I did not post any vlogs about it or anything suggesting that I was doing it. So I was thinking maybe I could do like a little story time explaining how it went about. So this exam, basically I never planned on doing it like since a very long time or something. It was quite a spontaneous decision. Even though I already knew about this exam, I always knew about this exam because my dad himself, in case you don't know, is an army officer, and he himself gave the CDS exam, and I've always known about it, but I never thought I would give it. But this year, actually, you guys know, I completed my graduation from Delhi University. So I had my final year exams in June, and after that, after I was done with that, I was like, you know, let's try to give this exam. It was in September, so I had like 2 months, just July and August, to prepare for it, and for September I had my exam, and that too I did while not like taking a break from YouTube. So yeah, even though मेरा frequency of uploading videos थोड़ा कम हो गया था last के दिनों में, if you remember, I don't know if you noticed this on my channel, but I stopped uploading the shorts like last के 10 days before my exam because I couldn't get time उस वक्त. But apart from that, most of the time I try to be consistent on YouTube also while preparing for this in 2 months. My dad was like, you know, you should definitely give this exam. Even my mom was like, you know, definitely try it out. So I was like, why not? So yeah, this was the very first exam that I gave in my life for a government job, a competitive exam, UPSC level ka, and I'm happy that I cleared it in my first attempt. It feels good. So now that I've cleared the written exam, the next stage is gonna be the SSP, which includes like the interview, medicals and a bunch of other things. Like it's a long 5-day process. It includes a lot of things, so I have to start preparing for that now, guys. So I'm really happy that I'm gonna get that experience. Like it doesn't matter if I make it or not, I'm just happy. Like of course I'm gonna try my best, but I'm still happy that I'm at least getting the experience of SSB. This is the first time in my life I will be giving that, so I'm so excited for that experience. But the first stage is like a check mark. I have done that one now. So yeah, if you guys want a video on just that part, the written part, if you want me to make like a video about how to clear the CDS written exam in like 2 months, I can definitely make that video for you guys. Let me know if you want that. But anyways, I'm just gonna start preparing for SSB now, guys, and you are gonna see the videos of that on my channel. So let me take you like through how it went like. So 1st of September I had my exams, and my mom actually took me for the exam. She took a little video also, I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, she took me to my exam center, and she was also really excited, first time giving a competitive exam. So she was excited, I was excited but nervous, of course, because I was the one giving the exam. So you know, it was a lot of pressure also, but I tried to stay calm as much as possible. I went in, gave the exam, and the last 20 days waiting for the results have been so difficult, guys. Like, I think more than the exam, the waiting for the results part was so difficult. I checked my answers from different like answer keys across YouTube, like trying to calculate कितना मेरे marks बनेंगे, कितना cut off जा सकता है, मेरा होगा या नहीं होगा. So like every night before I go to sleep, like half an hour I would just think about this. And yesterday when the results came, they actually came when I was not at home. I was actually in an auto. I was coming back home, and suddenly I opened YouTube and people were posting videos ki the result is out, and I was like, oh my god. The moment I read it, my heart was like pumping so much. So turant I went to their website, opened the PDF and like started scrolling through it, trying to find my roll number in it. And at first I could not find my roll number, so I freaked out. I was like, oh shit, nahi hua kya? But I kept scrolling, and then I was like, wait, yahan inke beech mein aana chahiye, idhar dhoondo, and there it was, my roll number. And I was like, it was like such a relieving feeling. I was just relieved. That was the only feeling I felt in that moment. And I did not call my mom at that point because almost घर पहुंची गई थी. अंदर जाते ही सबसे पहले I went to my mom's room, told her, and my dad was also there, told him also, and then my brother also came in. I told him, and everybody was like happy about it, especially my mom. My dad said he knew I would clear it because जिस दिन paper हुआ था, we both like sat down and discussed the answers. So he was like, I knew कि yours हो जाएगा, but I was still skeptical. But कल जब finally आ गया result, I was like happy कि हाँ हो गया, सच में हो गया है. But even though like a major part of it, that is the SSB, is remaining, I'm still happy. At least written तो हो गया है. Written was entirely in my hands. SSB में there's like a lot of luck factor. Actually my dad himself gave the SSB, so he was like telling me, because it's like very random, like there's only so much you can do for SSB. And guess what, guys, I'm just going to tell you the numbers. There's like 19 vacancies for women in the entire country. Can you imagine? And that too not for like Air Force or Navy. Women can only get entry into the army through the CDS exam in OTA, which is Officers Training Academy in Chennai, which has like 19 vacancies this time. 19 in the whole freaking country. That is not even like one vacancy per state. Like her state se bhi ek ladki is not getting selected. That is how bad the ratio is like. So yeah, if you look at the numbers, it is obviously very scary. I mean, but what can I do? I can't like sit here and be scared of the numbers. I can just try my best, which is what I will do. Meri taraf se I will give 100% in the SSB. I gave my 100% in the written also. So abhi to kuch mahine hai before my SSB, so I will start preparing for it, and you guys can see the vlogs for that on my channel. I might take some like coaching also bahar se. So yeah, that also. And my dad is gonna help me out. He knows like some people, the SSB interview वगैरह जो खुद ही कराते हैं. He's gonna get me in touch with them, so like, you know, I can talk to them and they can give me some tips maybe. SSB के लिए I'm stressed now, but नहीं भी होता है तो it's fine. At least I'll get the experience. I'm excited also. I saw some videos on YouTube, people explaining how it is. So yeah, there's like different centers you can get, like Allahabad I think is one of them, Bhopal, Bangalore. Let's see, जहाँ भी आता है I'll go and give it. But yeah, that was what I wanted to tell you guys. I was scared to tell it earlier because I was like, you know, this was my first ever exam. I was like, nahi hua to kya hoga and everything. And this is not the only exam. I will be giving some other similar exams, you know, also by UPSC or others. So yeah, this was just the first one, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. What follow-up vlogs along with this would you like? Would you like me to make like a strategy video, like a tips video for you guys? I can do that also. You know, I always get like some comments on my videos, like, you know, someone said, I remember since my dad is in the army, someone was like, you and your brother should also try for army. And मैं सोच ही रही थी कि मैं क्या बताऊँ इनको कि मैं कर रही हूँ try. I'll give my best shot and see what happens. My exact marks तो अभी मुझे नहीं पता. That will be released a bit later. When that comes, I will let you guys know that also. But for now, just know that I've cleared the written exam and I am going for the SSB, and I'm excited to take you guys along also on this journey. So I'm just gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. In case you're new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.